The battle against coronavirus is far from over, with the number of cases climbing as far as positive cases and even the death toll. It is imperative upon all of us to take maximum precautions as prescribed by the Government of India. One of them definitely is to wear the mask, which has now become a punishable offence definitely if you do not comply with these norms set by the central government. And there are several people who are understanding the social responsibility to contribute towards this battle against COVID-19. There are good Samaritans who have come forward to aid it financially, while there are many others now who've taken this upon themselves to make reusable, washable home masks. Let us take us through this particular area in South Delhi, where women and several others have come together to make masks on their own accord.
बाहर का मास्क महंगा भी पड़ता है और वो दोबारा यूज़ भी नहीं कर सकते। ये आप रोज़ धो भी सकते हैं और यूज़ भी कर सकते हैं। और ये तो हर एक को होना चाहिए कि हम अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझे। अगर हम किसी तरह से किसी के काम आ सकते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
तो आपको लगता है कि कोरोना वायरस में ये मास्क पहनना अनिवार्य है?
हाँ, वो तो बहुत अनिवार्य है। टीवी में भी बताते हैं, डॉक्टर भी बताते हैं, हर कोई बताता है, तो बहुत ज़रूरी है मास्क पहनना। इसलिए हम सोच रहे हैं कि जो गरीब हैं, जो नहीं खरीद सकते, उनके काम आए।
A lot of self-help groups who've been working on day-to-day factor. Now with this whole mask campaign that started, I feel mask is something which is very, very important. So we've created a team of friends who are giving us clothes, clean cotton clothes, which we sanitize, which we clean before we give it to them. In every unit that you'll see, there'll be maximum 3 people working with social distancing.
But why are you making these masks? Why did it come upon you?
See, we are out every day for the last 40-45 days. I see a lot of migrants, they don't have masks. I go to slums, they don't have masks. A lot of people pull up their t-shirt or they're using masks which is being thrown, disposable masks, they're reusing it. These are the masks that you can keep it with you, you can wash it, you can reuse it, plus they don't damage. Other masks that I see a lot of people wearing outside, you can't spend 10 rupees every third day to buy a mask. People don't have money to buy their food. So I think it's a very, very necessary activity that we must all suo moto take up and make as many masks and distribute them free of cost. And we provide support to people who can help them at the grassroots level.
Well, absolutely. Keeping all politics aside, the Congress Party volunteers are coming out just to help people in this hour of crisis, equipping those who cannot afford masks to ensure that these are perhaps the most organic masks that are available, which can be washed and reused. And that is something that the Congress Party leaders over here are taking it upon themselves in their own capacity, personally in their constituency for that matter, to ensure to reach out to a lakh of people who are in need of these masks, since the battle against coronavirus is far from over.
Once we have these masks made, we get them into 2 process systems. One is simply just having them hand washed in a certain solution which disinfects everything. The second is using the use of steam press, which is a new kind of a thing. It's easier, and again with a point of solution we kind of steam press them and make them disinfected. So these are the 2 most reliable and safe options for people to use this mask. And it is better than the disposable masks because you can utilize them again and again. And it is something that from the most organic part, we are using fabrics which are cotton based. We are using fabrics which are breathable so that people don't feel suffocated, they don't breathe their own air in. So we're trying our best to help the community, and this is the least that we can do. In fact, I would suggest that my friends and people in this trade come forward and pay their duty as an Indian citizen, and that's the least that we can do right now. It's going to take some time. We all have to fight this together, and the government is doing what they can.
So, in a day, for that matter, how many production of these masks are taking place across these smaller units that are distributed? And what is your target, and by when, in how many days will you collect these masks and start distribution?
So, we started 2 days back. And we have these small units distributed everywhere. We're trying to work in a very controlled environment so that we don't create any problems for our workers and everything. I think so we should be able to achieve this target of 1 lakh masks in 10 to 12 days. And we're taking it step by step. So average production comes out to between 2 to 3,000 per day, so that the distribution also goes to the right people. It doesn't get distributed to the leftovers or just thrown away. It's given to the right people who need this.
Well, absolutely, and this is exactly what everybody has been asked to do, to come out in their own personal capacity for people to be helped, for that matter. Not everyone can afford these masks, thus it's being made at home in the most organic way possible to help those who do not have a mask on.
Right, so various Good Samaritans doing their bit in these times of crisis.